Today we'll be putting this Craftsman Toolbox in my 2010 Tacoma. That's the stuff we're gonna need. Got this piece off of Amazon. I'll put a link on it, but it's a T-nut. It's a 3/8 one. And then I bought these from Home Depot along with these. I'll show you how it goes when I put it together. Let's select this. So this pull this off, push it in, pull it out, and then it goes in like this. Then grab this, goes like that. Make it tight. Then you get this. This is all 3/8. Hard to do it with one hand. Like that, then it goes in the side there. I'll be back. Okay, now I got that in. I'm gonna do one on each. 4 total. Then we line it up. For this specific box, I line it up on this line right here. So that line, and it lines up perfectly on the other side. So that's center. Push the button, boom, and you can see the nut in there will go there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's one thing I like about this. You can slide it in the channel. It's a lot better than what it comes with. This comes with this, but this is hard to put, inside the channel. Yeah, doesn't. Throw that away. So basically, you get the nut, the bolt under there. Then you slide the washer, and then the nut. Okay, now I'm gonna need 2 hands, so I'll be back. Okay, so I found out it'll be better to put it down so the nut is not sticking. Okay, now I'll be back. Okay, now all of them are in. Oh, we got John Cena over here going down the hill. Okay, so that's pretty much how they look. There's a lot, it anchors down a lot better than the hook ones that it came with. These rubbish things. But yep, it's locked in. Oh no, I locked the keys. Just kidding. But that's it. A lot better than the other hooks. Alright guys, have a good one. Aloha. Beautiful day. in Hawaii. Maybe you can see the ocean from here. You. Allah. Mm-hmm. Cherry. Solid. Not going nowhere. I'll put a link, or if I can, I'll find pictures and I'll put it. It's from Home Depot. All 3/8. 3/8 nuts, bolts, nuts, and washers. Just make sure you get it big enough to cover the hole. Should be cherry. Let me know what you guys think.